Hi, I'm Anna Rossi with Fire Magic Grills. Fire Magic has been manufacturing grills in the USA since 1937. Their innovative design, superior performance, and exceptional durability are what separate this grill from the rest. Fire Magic offers an extensive collection of premium grills and accessories. Today, we're cooking on the Echelon Diamond 48-inch grill. Let's start by taking a look under the hood. Fire Magic offers more cooking space and BTUs per square inch of space for maximum performance. New Diamond Sear Cooking Grids have an exclusive trapezoid shape that provides more cooking surface for fast, even heating, and restaurant-style sear marks. The bead-blasted surface prevents food from sticking and holds cooking oils and food juices for enhanced flavor. Our flavor grids vaporize food juices, which create smoke that gives you that delicious barbecue flavor. They disperse heat quickly and evenly, provide responsive temperature control, and minimize flare-ups common with ceramic briquette systems. The all-cast stainless steel burners are made with the most durable metal, weighing 12 pounds each and have a lifetime warranty. Create unique zones individually controlled by separate burners, cooking grids, and flavor grids. This allows you to cook different types of food that require different heat, all at the same time. The 12-inch deep firebox provides ample space to disperse the heat across the grill, giving you more cooking control. The rounded hood optimizes heat flow for the best convection cooking. Recessed back burners have high, even heat for the most effective rotisserie cooking. Fire Magic offers the greatest temperature range. You can get up to 1400 degrees over here on the infrared burner and as low as 200 degrees. You can literally sear a steak or bake a cake. And the charcoal basket allows you to enjoy the versatility of adding charcoal cooking to your gas grill. The digital thermometer with a meat probe is perfect for precise cooking and easy monitoring. Fire Magic has an extensive collection of accessories to enhance your grilling experience. This Echelon power burner with 60,000 BTUs is the largest, most powerful side cooker available. Perfect for everything from your favorite slow-simmered chili to a fried turkey or clam bake. All of these features work together, giving you the flexibility and capability to prepare almost any dish imaginable on the Fire Magic grill. The sleek exterior design is made entirely from the highest grade heavy gauge 304 stainless steel. The optional ceramic glass Magic View window allows viewing of food while cooking without lifting the hood. Fire Magic grills are designed for superior performance, so you can enjoy your grill for years to come. I'm Anna Rossi. Visit firemagicgrills.com for more. Happy grilling.